Many parents are aware of the time their teen spends texting to friends. What they may not know are that some teens are breaking the law by sending or receiving inappropriate pictures on their cell phones.
Basically, sexting is when juveniles send pictures of themselves, either nude or semi-nude, to other juveniles. It's sending text messages also of a sexually explicit nature. Well, the law in Virginia is very clear that anytime a picture is taken of a person under the age of 18, and a nude picture, that is child pornography. It doesn't reference the person's age. It just says that the taking of the picture is production of child pornography. So even if a juvenile takes a picture of themselves, they are technically creating child pornography, which is a very serious felony crime in Virginia. So then when they send the image, that is a distribution of child pornography. Now this is a juvenile sending a picture of themselves, that's still a distribution. Then the persons they sent it to and they are in possession of child pornography. These are all serious felony crimes that require registration as sex offenders for the rest of your life. The other thing is they're exposing themselves. When they send that picture, they're putting it out there for everyone to see. They maybe are just sending it to one person, but what that one person does with the image afterwards is the concern we have. Is if they send it on to a couple people and then they send it on to a couple people, next thing you know, you got this thing all around a whole bunch of people, and God forbid someone posts it to the internet. Once it's on the internet, it's gone worldwide. You can't do much about that.
Authorities want to let parents and teens know if they receive an explicit photo not to forward it and to report it immediately. For more information on sexting, contact the Fairfax County Police Department.